All right, hello. My name is Christian,
Robin, Cameron.
and this is our presentation for the audio project for ENG6. So, this is Christian, and I'll be showing you guys the sample selection and the effects. So, over here we have a 3x3 grid, which if you click on it, on the first one, and then you click New, you have the selection to click a .wav file. So right now I'll just load two files. So we got road, feel good, and hootie. And over here, and then we can add more, but that's if you have more files to display. So over here we have the effects. We have the reverse effect, the delay effect, the high filter effect, the low filter effect, the playback speed, and the remove voice. And over here we have a volume slider that increases or decreases the volume of the sample. And if we choose, we click stop to just stop the music, and we have the option to play a mono because the default we are using is a stereo. So we found it that if you just want to do a mono play, you just click on the mono button. So let's just show some effects. So I'll click on the road one, and let's say let's just play it regular to see how it sounds like. So over here we see the the orange and the blue waves. So these represent the channels. The blue one represents the left channel, and the orange one represents the right. So if we click the mono button, we will see that the right channel is not there anymore because the mono only plays the left channel. All right. Now let's actually show the effects now. So the reverse one's so simple, it just plays the song backwards. So let's try it with Feel Good. So you see it just plays it backwards, and just click the stop button to stop it. The delay it creates like an echo on the sound. So let's just try it with the Feel Good sample again. And then you see there's a echo that is about like around half a second after, so it creates like an echo effect. And then we have the high filter, which suppresses the lower frequency, which corresponds to a higher frequency being played. So let's try it with the hootie. You look at me, you got nothing left to say. I'm on about at you until I get my way. So as a result, this only played the higher frequencies, which you can't really hear the lower frequencies. So let's try the reverse now. So now the low filter gets rid of all the higher frequencies, but which in turn boosts the lower frequencies. So we'll see that right here. And you can tell like suppress the high frequencies here. All right, the playback speed. So if you slide, we have a slider for the playback speed, which chooses around from 0.25 times the sample rate to 3 times the sample rate. So basically, if you slide to the left, the song gets slower. If you slide to the right, the song gets faster. So let's just try it out with the Feel Good. So we'll try it a little slower. All right. So you can tell it's really slow. And now let's hear it go faster, which kind of sounds like a chipmunk. and then the last one, oh, I had the low filter on, so let's just try it out without the low filter. So let's see. Click that. Let's make it fast. And then the last one's the remove voice, which just removes the voice by deleting both the left channel and the right channel, which you could just subtract each other. So let's try it with the hootie. As you can see, it doesn't actually get rid of all the voices, which you can only hear like a faint, which is because the channels are not identical, so it's really hard to get rid of everything. The Rode one does it does a better job in removing the voices you could hear from here. There you go. So yeah, and then we also made it so you could actually play more than one effect. So let's go back to feel good, and you want to do a reverse delay, echo delay. So let's try that. So you can hear there's an echo while playing backwards. So and then you could also do it a reverse playback speed, so you can make the reverse song play slower. There you go. And then finally we have the volume slider, which is in fact, if you slide to the right, increases the volume, and then if you slide it to the left, it decreases the volume. So let's just try it to feel good. So let's just do it right here. Alright, so you play it. So you can, as you can tell, like the song plays louder, and as a result, the waves get bigger. And that's about it for my part. Thank you for hearing.
Hi, this is Cameron, and I'll be talking about the chop function right here. As you can see, the user has the choice to input a start and stop time. And then you use the apply function to actually add it to the song. So first, let's just see if this is working and everything is running well. Good. Just wanted to check beforehand. All right. Okay. So let's do start time of 1 and a stop time of 3. So this should be relatively short. So click the apply, then you play it. Okay, good. All right, let's try another one. Maybe let's make it 5, and then let's make it a large number, maybe like 50, and apply that, and then play it. So as you can see, no matter what big number you put in, it's just gonna play the entire sample of the wave function. And as you can see, when you use the chop function, the actual sound wave diagram, it's different to the normal wave diagram when you play it. Also, you can use the chop function with the effects. So for example, let's try reverse, then retype the start and stop time. So let's do 4, and why not 10? Click apply, and then let's play this. You can see it's in reverse, and now it's been chopped from 4 to 10 seconds. All right, so that about covers my part. All right, thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Robert, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about some of the things that I contributed to the audio player. The first of which is the wave generator. This generates a wave of any length or frequency and of type sine, square, or triangle, and saves it to one of our slots. We can select the first slot and save a triangle wave of frequency 2 or frequency 4400 Hertz and 2 seconds. Let's go ahead and save it. We can play it now. And there's our annoying triangle wave. We can go ahead and do a sine wave of the same kind. Let's go ahead and generate it. We've saved it to tone. Press play. Let's save it to a different slot this time. Go ahead and save a square wave. Save it, and here it is. The second part that I contributed was the record new. There's an optional metronome with it. You can input your BPM right here, in this case 39 BPM. You can go ahead and change that to 40. And if we select this, when we press record, we will be getting a metronome at 40 beats per minute. So right now I'm being recorded. You can faintly hear the metronome. And I'll go ahead and turn that off. And now we can go ahead and save that to slot 2, press play. And now we can go ahead and save. And that concludes my demonstration of some of my contributions to the audio player.